niyo po ba magiging fair si Senator Bato doon po sa magiging pagdinig ng Senado, lalo na siya mismo po yung nadidiin sa issue ng war on drugs?
Hindi.
Paano niyo pa nasabi, sir?
He would be more biased than actually balanced in that hearing.
Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa says the Senate will launch its own investigation into the war on drugs and will invite former President Rodrigo Duterte as resource person. At naniniwala siya mas malaki po yung possibility na dumalo si former President sa ilo-launch nilang Senate investigation. Or comment on this po.
Very good. In fact, sabi ng Bible, 2 is better than 1. Oo. May partner na kami sa Senado when it comes to investigation.
And si former President na willing siya na umatin pero mas malaki yung possibility sa Senate siya humarap.
Well, it might be. It's up to him actually. Although he in-indicate na niya na haharap siya if he's invited. No? So, sa amin, okay na okay yun eh. Hopefully, he will come and clear the air and say what he would like to say.
You mentioned earlier, Kong, na next hearing, EJK ulit yung topic. Are we not going to formally invite the former president to finally face the Quadcom amidst these allegations po against the war on drugs?
We will still talk about if we are going to have the EJK or the POGO or the drugs about it. But definitely we're going to invite the president. I do not know when, no? Sa akin, if we're going to invite the former president, hindi muna namin iimbitahin ng maraming mga iniimbita namin, no? So that he could be able to freely say his piece. Mahirap naman kung napakaraming iimbitahan namin and then maghihintay siya ng matagal. We do not want that to happen.
Sorry, sir. Pero hindi ho ba maaapektuhan yung pong inyong investigation na ginagawa kung sa Senate siya unang humarap dahil 8 public hearing na po yung Quadcom and palagi pong nadadrag yung si former President Duterte?
Hindi naman siguro sapagkat malalaman naman namin kung ano nga sabihin niya sa Senado. Eh. Whatever he will say, no, babantayan namin maigi yan. Eh. Yes.
Sorry. Good morning po. Lianes Capante, GMA News Online. I asked Secretary Panelo yesterday about po yung plano ng Quadcom to investigate the possible use of Intel fund to fund the reward system
Yes.
in killing drug suspects. Ang sabi niya, one cannot launch a successful war on drugs without effective legal strategy, which necessarily will involve funding from the government. Police operations must be sufficiently financed for effective enforcement of the laws against drug trafficking. But he did not mention flat out na we did not use the Intel Fund. Wala siyang ganong statement na categorical. Do you think, how do you find that statement? Is that statement, lack of categorical statement, just confirms what the others have testified po sa Quadcom?
Yeah, I respect his own legal opinion on that. No? Marami naman siguro mga legal opinions ang iba't ibang abogado. No? That is own legal opinion.
Sir, confirmation kaya yun na nagamit ngayon. He did not ang haba ng statement niya, but he did not mention about anything na hindi namin ginamit yan.
Ano ibig sabihin ng hindi namin ginamit? Kasama siya ron?
Sir, kasi I was asking yung possibility na yun nga. I asked him, sir, ginamit niyo ba yung Intel Fund for the police operations under war on drugs? Hindi niya, dun sa mahaba niyang statement, hindi niya sinabi yung intelligence fund.
Palagay ko, it will depend upon our investigation.
Sir, sorry. Follow-up lang po dun sa question about Bato. Maglo-launch sila ng sarili nilang investigation po and invite si PRRD. Tingin niyo po ba magiging fair si Senator Bato dun po sa magiging pagdinig ng Senado, lalo na siya mismo po yung nadidiin sa issue ng war on drugs?
Hindi.
Paano niyo pa nasabi, sir?
Well, the thing is, he became the Director General of the Philippine National Police during the time of the former president. No? But just imagine, he was only a Brigadier General all of a sudden. Nagdagdagan siya ng star, no? Naging Major General siya and naging Director General. So I would think that he would be more biased than actually balanced in that hearing. No?
Sir, how about po yung mga narco generals? Are you going to invite them? Wala po kasing na-file na case at wala din pong nailutang na evidence. Nabrand po sila dahil close sila sa isang presidential candidate kay former DILG Secretary Marojas na identified doon sa Novotel. Sinabi na pong narco generals agad.
Pag amin na pong iimbestigahan ng drugs, dangerous drugs, palagay ko we will now be able to know and invite who the narco generals are. At this point in time, hindi pa masyado naming pinag-uukulan ng pansin yan.
Good morning, Kong.
Yes.
Here, right here. Sir, so are you seeing conflict of interest sa investigasyon ng Senado or their planned investigation dito sa war on drugs?
I really do not know if most of the senators would agree to it. No? Sinabi lang yan ng isang senador. So, there might be. But we do not know. No? We still have to wait until such time that it will happen.
On the details lang po nitong pagtap ng AMLC sa investigasyon ng Quadcom, nag-reach out na po ba ang Quadcom to the AMLC? And on the particulars po, kani-kaninong bank accounts po yung titingnan? For example, dun po ba sa mga involved sa killing, for example, ng 3 Chinese within the Davao Prison and Penal Farm? Or dun sa mga involved kay Wesley Barayuga?
We have always invited the AMLC to come and be in our hearing, no? Because of the POGO, o yung money trail ng POGO. Hindi pa namin sila natatanong kung yung money trail that happened in the EJK operations. Ngayon pa lang.
Kaninong transactions po yung particular na titingnan?
Yung
Transactions? Kaninong particular transactions po yung titingnan, sir?
on the basis of the revelation of Colonel Garma. Oo, yung Peter, no? In fact, we are actually looking at the possibility of inviting him to come. Kung sino man yung Peter na yun. Wala nakakakilala kung sino siya.
Pero papatingnan po yung kanyang bank account sa account.
Yes, because siya yata yung humahawak ng bangko. I don't actually know about it.
Sir, yung mga banks, papatawag din ba natin? Sir, kasi doon sa affidavit ni Garma, naka-specify yung mga banks May mga banks po na specify doon sa affidavit. Papatawag din po ba natin sila?
Hindi yata na-specify ni Garma kung anong bangko. Pero sinabi niya na mayroong bangko. So we're gonna find out kung anong bangko yan. Pag nakita namin, nalaman namin kung anong bangko talaga yan, well, of course, papatawag po namin yan. Kung naka-specify yan, we will call on them. Definitely.
You don't see naman na magiging hurdle yung bank secrecy law, ganyan, wala.
Hindi naman siguro. I mean, I think the AMLA would know about it. I think that the bank will be honest about the transactions.
Sir, pero may kasi sir, even yung sa Intel funds, parang hindi pa talaga concrete yung what we know right now. Sa tingin niyo, sir, in the next hearing, malilink na yung possible sources na STL, Pogo, and yung Intel funds. Sa tingin niyo mabubuksan na po doon o medyo...
In our hearing, there'll be no let up. No? Ibig sabihin, talagang hindi lang namin tatapusin ito. But we will do everything we can to let the people know kung talagang ano nangyari dyan. Kasi sinimulan na namin eh. And of course, this is about politics. No? The thing is, we would like the people to know na talagang kami gagawin namin na lahat para ma-expose lahat itong mga shenanigans na ito, ma-expose lahat itong mga illegal na gawain ito.
Kung may idea na ba ang Quadcom kung doon nga sa nababanggit ni Sandro kanina, go CFF or doon sa STL, anong bulk ng money ang pinanggagalingan po?
Kung may idea kami, meron, no? Although we cannot say pa definitely kung ano 'yun, no? Kahit nasa Pogo may mga iimbitahan kaming bangko tungkol diyan to be able to find out the money trail. Pero hindi pa ngayon pag pinag-usapan ng GH kasi umaabot kami ng hating gabi, no? Just to talk about a certain a certain topic, no? So, tingnan natin kung halimbawa masasabi ko sa Quadcom na okay, sa ating next hearing pag-usapan natin ng EJK and then Pogo.
Pero kung when it comes dun sa reward system, ano kaya ang nagagamit na pera doon? Intelligence fund, Pogo money, STL?
Sinabi ko na possibility na lahat nagagamit dyan. Oo. STL, Pogo fund, nagagamit din dyan. Kasi pag operational expenses yan, pwede mo gamitin yung confidential fund yan. Oo. Nakalagat talaga dyan. Just would like to find out magkano ba ang nagamit yan? Saan ginamit yan?
Sir, may amount tayo? Meron tayong estimate kung magkano lang?
Wala pa wala pa kaming estimate kung magkano. Ang inaano namin ganito Kasi sinabi ni Garma, tiered yan 3 level yan Ano? So, pag sinasabi namin, ilan ba ang pinatay? Ilan ba ang pinatay? For example, like, merong pinatay na mayor, merong pinatay na abot ng I do not know pero malaki.